It has been 12 years since the Letran Lady Knights volleyed in the championship grounds of the NCAA Women's Volleyball Tournament. This season 99, the underdog team exceeded expectations as they forged a path towards a victorious campaign. The Lady Knights displayed historic effort in their opening match against the Lady Blazers, losing to the towering trio of Mitch Gamit, Gail Pascual, and Zam Nolasco. The high-flying rookie Gia Makilang commanded Letran's offense with the help of Lara May Silva's impeccable receptions. As Game 2 of the final series began, Letran took home multiple individual awards. Letran Lady Knights Gia Makilang named as the Freshman of the Year, along with Lara May Silva as the Best Libero. On the other squad, Letran Knights Vince Himzon bagged the first Best Middle Blocker title.
Well, first of all, masaya. Tsaka nakaka-proud po kasi first year ko pa lang po dito sa LCA.
Po, parang ang saya-saya ko po kasi parang first time ko ulit po na award ng ganun. So sabi ko po sa self ko, bonus na lang po yung award para sa akin.
The Game 2 of the final series began. Lady Knights got off to a hot start, but the College of St. Benilde answered right back with blazing frontcourt attacks to dismantle Letran's defense. Defying all odds, the team poured in everything they got before falling in the third set. As a bona fide tactician, Coach Oliver Almadro led the squad into an amazing campaign, requiring only less than a year to put the team back into the finals.
First, it's a blessing. It's not expected. We are not seeded. Hindi kami seeded sa liga ngayon taon na to. Expected nga 7th or 8th lang kami this year. Ang importante kasi yung players really worked hard. Hindi nila iniisip yung mga challenges. Ang iniisip lang nila is they will work hard. Kasi coming in as a first year coach, nakaka-inspire kasi 25 years ago nandito rin ako. Pero taga-abot na ako ng tubig at tuwala sa mga teammates ko. And I did not expect na makabalik ako dito. But when I came back, sabi ko lang, yung storya ng Letran, kailangan ibalik. Yung storya namin dati na nananalo. So sabi ko, if they want to change the story, they have to change the culture. So yun ang unti-unti namin inaayos. Yung kultura, yung sistema, yung programa, and with the help of Father Vic, sila Boss Frank of SGA, Boss Frank Lau, nagmaterialize yung mga plano, and we're really happy. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga players na talagang sumunod at nagtiwala sa system.
Ano po yung vision niyo for the Letran Knights, Lady Knights for the coming seasons?
Well, of course, lahat ng teams gusto championship. But hindi yun ang goal namin. Hindi lang yun ang goal namin. Of course, we really want to be champions. But ang gusto namin is to be consistent, aiming on what is above. Kumbaga, consistently we are there. Kasi parang ang pangit this year, nandito ka, tapos next year wala. So yun ang gusto namin ayusin sa programa. Yun ang gusto namin ayusin ni Father Vic, nila Boss Frank Lau, na Letran will always be there, will always be a contender every year. So yun ang gusto namin, yun ang vision namin na sabi nga namin, yung consistency up there. But we cannot make it without the support of the community, without the support of Letran admin, yung mga teachers na nagpapasensya sa mga players namin. We will really assure you na yung culture ng Letran will always be there on top.
The Freshman of the Year dedicates the stellar performance to her family and the entire Letran community.
So parang pag-uwi ko, parang masaya kasi pag nakikita ko yung parents ko, for sure proud ko sila sa akin.
So, anong natutunan mo from this campaign na may i-apply mo sa mga susunod na competitions?
Siguro yung experience, yung maturity ng laro. Hindi naman lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity makapasok ng finals. Pero at least ngayon, nakapasok kami ng finals, naka-experience kung ano talaga, kung gaano ka-intense yung level ng laro.
Lastly, anong mensahe mo para sa Letran community?
Well, first of all, thank you po sa mga nanonood, sa lahat ng alumni na nasusuporta, kay kay Boss Frank, sa lahat ng mga prof, sa mga kaklase ko sa AC1B. Thank you so much. Di po na, sa lahat po ng LSC, sa Letran Bands po, tsaka yung cheering squad. Good luck po sa inyo sa tournament. Let's say.
Other squad members Lara May Silva, Julian Castro, Judiel Nitura, and the graduating Lady Knight Daisy Melendres expressed their gratitude for the unending support of the Letran community.
In 12 years ata po na hindi po naibalik yung parang Final Four sa Letran. So kami po yung naging bahagi po ng historical ngayon. So sobrang blessed and sobrang saya po. Yung natutunan ko po talaga is teamwork po. If wala po kaming teamwork, hindi po kami pupunta sa final. So, yung kulang po namin, yun po yung i-up namin sa next season.
Anong mensahe niyo para sa Letran community?
Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta, Letran. And sana po sa next season, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung suporta niyo sa amin. See you sa next season. Thank you po.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa kasi gaano ka-feel. Oo, kasi second year pa lang din ako. Tsaka yung goal lang talaga namin yung kung ba't kami nag-push is dahil yung goal namin is makarating ng Final Four. Yung goal lang namin na mapunta sa Final Four pero mas beyond pa yung narating namin sa finals, which is andito kami ngayon.
On behalf of the Letran Women's Volleyball Team, nabitin talaga kami sa season kasi nag-iinit pa lang yung team, parang patapos na yung season eh. So, yun, nabitin talaga kami sa games. Pero, ayun nga, sa next season, abangan nyo na lang kami. Mas gagalingan pa namin and we'll come back stronger.
Thank you for supporting us. Kahit nabigo namin kayo pero, yun, andito pa rin kayo para sa amin.
Lalo na po sa mga alumni, sa mga families po ng ka-teammate namin, sa families din po ng coaches, laging nagsusupport. Thank you po sa pag-pray sa amin lagi.
Siyempre po, masaya po kasi after all these years, nakita na po namin yung bunga at yung winner on po namin all throughout. And even though na overwhelming right now, we still have to work on yung mga teammates ko na may iwan. They still have to work on kasi dapat hindi kami magsisettle sa ganito lang. For the Letran community, nagpapasalamat po ako. On behalf of my team, nagpapasalamat po kami sa tulong at suporta nyo. And sana po patuloy nyo po rin kaming suportahan. And ibibigay pa po namin nila ang best nila.
NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament has now come to an end. But for the Letran Lady Knights, this is only the beginning of their thriving volleyball program under head coach Oliver Almagro. This has been Kim Yoshi Espiritu, their land sports correspondent, and that's what had happened down the wire.